Alright guys, this is a quick view of the Nike Free Run Plus 2. This is the latest running shoe from Nike, and I'm very impressed. I mean, they did a great job with this tennis shoe. For start, it's a really light shoe, very flexible. And I'm very comfortable. It's incredibly comfortable, especially if you're a runner. You will appreciate this. And even if you just train at the gym, you just do your regular workout, or you just walk, and you need a shoe that is light and that is really comfortable. This is definitely the tennis shoe to go. Now, another thing that is really cool about this shoe is it's compatible with your Nike Plus. If you're not familiar with your Nike Plus, it's an app that you can download for your iPhone, iPod, or iPod Touch. And they also have like a Nike sports band, and they also have a watch that is a GPS. Anyway, what these do is it will track your workout, it will track your distance, it will track your calories, and also have some social features in it where you can actually talk with your guys on Facebook and challenge them and stuff like that. So this shoe actually allows you to get a chip that goes actually inside the insole of your tennis shoe. And I don't know if you are going to be able to see it, but yeah, right there. And you buy this chip. The chip sells separately, of course. I think you need to pay like $19.99 for it. And this allows you to track your distance, your calories, and stuff like that. And it transmits that to the app that you're gonna download for your iPod or iPhone. And then you will go online and download all your information. That way you will keep track of everything that you're doing. About the shoe, like I said, it's really cool, really nice design. I don't know if you can see it right there. They got a bunch of colors, and like I said, it's very comfortable. And I just wanted to show it to you guys, because I think it's a great product. And if you guys want to check these shoes out, like in person, you can go to your local store. I'm sure they have it, or you can go online to get more info about it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys really like it, please leave a comment. If you don't like it at all, don't say anything. Don't put a comment. Don't do anything. All right. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you.